What's up guys, Cheap Beast aka Noah, back to tell you bring another video. This time we're doing another unboxing. I don't know why I'm hitting on sneakers so much recently. There's even another pair. I got the Patas in the blue colorway, and I didn't unbox those on the channel because I just unboxed the Monarch ones. So I've hit like 4 of the last probably like 6 or something I've actually tried. So I probably am not gonna hit anything like anytime soon. But there was a shock drop for this sneaker, and somehow I managed to get it. I honestly just kind of entered it just because why not? I didn't know what resale looked like. I just kind of entered because might as well. I never really hit on any of the shock drops, so anytime you enter on sneakers you assume you're not winning anything. So I actually somehow hit on these, so that's why there's a ton of unboxing videos recently. I'm gonna try to get other videos here soon, but I keep winning sneakers and I feel like I keep having to unbox them. So this one's actually an early look because it releases on December 11th, so a couple weeks early, and let's just get right into the sneaker. So like I said, the shock dropped like last week on sneakers. Honestly, I never know with shock drops how many they release or anything. Pretty hyped up pair, I would say, because it's the end of the year and they always release this sneaker towards the end of the year. So it's a colorway people have wanted for a while. I don't have any of these in my collection. I also don't know if I'm keeping these. Here they are. They are the Jordan 11 in the cool gray colorway. I don't know if a Jordan 11 box normally looks like this. Obviously this is all gray with the Jordan logo on the front. But this is the first pair of 11s I actually have. I somehow got them in my size. Again, don't know if I'm keeping these, but here are the sneakers. These are huge because I'm a size 13, and anytime I get sneakers, I always am like, man, do I really wear this big of sneakers? And I do, which is the crazy part. So like I said, these are the cool gray 11s. They shock drop on sneakers just last week for like $250, I think what the retail is on these. These are actually the third release of the cool gray 11s, the first one being in 2001 and then the next one being in I think 2010. These aren't like the OG 11 colorway, but Jordan did actually wear these a decent amount when he played in Washington. They're all right. Honestly, I've never had a pair of 11s in my hand even, so the fact that I have them now, I don't really know like too much about them. Obviously there's the patent leather of the gray, there's the black or the gray upper, there's some white laces, and then the icy blue soles, which are really cool. Honestly, these aren't bad. I don't know if I would wear them. I feel like they would be better on someone who really likes Jordans, but colorway is definitely really cool. These were actually supposed to be rumored to be releasing last year at some point, but probably with COVID and stuff like that, delay them to this year. So they do drop on the 11th, so you still have plenty of time to pick them up. It's like 2 weeks away or something like that. So there's definitely time to pick up the cool gray 11s. I know a lot of people have been looking out for these because they haven't released since 2010, and anytime a like good Jordan colorway hasn't released in a really long time, people definitely want to pick them up. This one, obviously, pretty cool, pretty neutral colorways. I do like them. I just don't think I would wear them enough, which is my problem. And I don't really need to keep more sneakers because I've kept like 3 in the past like 4 that I've gotten. So I may be selling these. We'll see what it's like. But they're definitely just a clean pair of sneakers. Obviously, I don't know if you'd play basketball in them because I feel like there's much better basketball sneakers nowadays because they are pretty heavy, and you're definitely going to crease the patent leather like as soon as you wear them. That's probably the biggest thing that you definitely wouldn't want to do. But obviously, if you want to wear them, definitely crease your sneakers. I mean, that's how you're going to wear them. You can't keep them perfect forever. So, cool gray 11s. Let me show you guys some B-roll of these and then a little bit closer up. I think these are really cool. Don't know if I wear them. I've said this a couple times now. Colorway is pretty easy to wear. It's just all gray. It's a classic colorway for Jordan 11s, probably one of the most popular ones. Again, don't know too much about 11s, but I know there's a few colorways that people really like, and I imagine this is one of them since they're re-releasing them for the third time. And a lot of people like whenever Jordan wears, and Jordan wore these a decent amount. So suppose these are a little bit closer to the original 11 design than the past releases. So that's pretty cool. But again, just cool sneaker, definitely clean. Somehow got them on Shock Drop, which makes no sense that I'm actually hitting on stuff on sneakers when I'm not even meaning to. But the fact I got them early in hands, pretty cool. But these again release on December 11th, so you do have time to pick them up. They will be releasing on sneakers and probably a bunch of other places because they're really going to be a popular sneaker. And I would imagine they're going to be releasing a lot of other places. So let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Again, I think they're pretty cool. I actually really like the patent leather, but I don't know if I would wear them. That's just me personally, because a lot of people definitely want to wear them. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and tell me what you guys think of these in the comments. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.